All right, here we're going to be using the distributive property for solving linear equations. So we're going to go ahead and distribute this 2 here to both the x and the 3. So I like to write little arrows for everything that it's distributing, and then so you're going to go ahead and multiply 2 times x, so that'd be 2x, and then the 2 times the negative 3, so that'd be negative 6, and then set it equal to the right side. Now you're going to be doing what we did before, and we're going to be combining like terms, moving all the x's over to one side and all the numbers to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 5x in order to move it over to the other side. And then I get 2x minus 5x, so that gives me negative 3x. Bring down the negative 6 equals, bring down the negative 9 because these cancel. And then I'm going to take that 6 and move it over to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and add 6 to this side and add 6 to the other side. So I'm going to get negative 3x, bring that down. These cancel out, and I get negative 3. And then in order, remember we're trying to isolate the x, get it by itself on one side. So I need to get rid of the negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by negative 3. And I get x is equal to 1. And that would be my answer. And again, you could check by plugging it into the original. So let's just go ahead and quickly do that. 2 times 1 minus 3 equals 5 times 1 minus 9. So this gives me 2 times negative 2. And then this gives me 5 times 1, which is 5, minus 9, negative 4 equals negative 4. So that solution works.